Today I will show you how to use Bunq credit card. Before start the main video, I want to tell you where you can use it. You can use the Bunq credit card almost everywhere in Europe like supermarkets, restaurants, gas stations, etc. So let's start the main video. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Bunq app. Once installed, log into your Bunq account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and complete the registration process. Now, open the Bunq app and tap on the Cards section. If you've already ordered your credit card, you'll see its status there. Once you receive the physical card, tap Activate and enter the last 4 digits and expiry date, or just scan the card using the app. Next, you'll be prompted to set a PIN. This 4-digit PIN will be used for secure payments at shops. Choose a secure but memorable PIN. Then, Bunq might ask you for an in-app verification like face scan or fingerprint to keep your account safe. You can use your Bunq credit card for online shopping like Amazon, eBay, or for services like Netflix. Just enter your 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. To pay in store, simply tap the card on the terminal or insert the chip and enter your PIN. And that's it. Thanks for watching.